na obaako demufo a Bawumia wo fa no experience and I say na ho boaboa obi a ento no experience and I say no ho boaboa as running mate from Fiengotri and a vice president from Fiengotri. In terms of ahoboaboa no nipa na eba no obia intimate to sa ahoboaboa anamboa the man has been running mate to kwanya sem ketwa for 8 years was a vice president for 8 years. During that time, acting president on several occasions. And the experience and boa enipa no monto no. Ono so na ode omode toto ho a ogina ni na so chen omunya. Nenti a oka so ogina ni na so hwe. Election aye kwa koye. Advantage kese ba kwa NPP wo ene ne se. Wo hwe abakosemo a Ghana for shedan to Abama obia waba foforo. So I'm a president.
So oh, first
timer. Apart from Yera Mahama in 2012. But Satan no a president did that. But flag bearer there. Obia anywhere Ghana for to Abama for the first time. Kufuor call twice. Yera Mills or 3 times.
Yes.
Mahama Crow free so as president no san call twice. Akufado call 3 times. Obia anywhere ya to Abama no first time. NDC omode first time obia omde ne beba no first time. Obia NPP so de ne beba se nye Bawumia no so ye first time. And this advantage no a so second time and now third time. Bawumia nko a ne betimi ama NPP sa advantage no. Okofo obia ba na sa advantage no was no because NDC for omode obi foforo ba. Enti NDC NPP odi obi a why be that the bar o hwa abakosemo a if no favor NPP a chance or the obi o first time Bawumia nkwa na betimi ama NPP sa advantage no so yen anu NDC for yi omo tamomo opposition tamo na omo abem what is omo ka NPP mpanyifo no ho bi ho asem da bia o menisi Bawumia so and now ye can say nipa pray NPP a frank two some does nipa be say 5 and so Bawumia what is all more can be tia nipa na aka ne bida and so Bawumia nko a no mo kana say hwe papers mo na Bawumia say and ye na boisi say Bawumia say na Bawumia say and no trell say ye NDC for na agitum say onu na edimu a obetimi agitumelu.
It may also mean say or no and because why vice president then or more mad no the others no omunya bibia wo ho.
O menya na say o maka no so omasum in government da anamboa. Yeah, and I'm in positions me best me bo be edi. But omunya omasum aban mu da. It is how be come ho omonso mo pa bi obopetumi da be 2 NDC. Nso mo nkan obi a ho asem. Inti even if someone fa nipa no omo shadan for mo serious bia na fa hwe suban me nwa obi suban hu hia pa in leadership se suban no chima wo ho now the two me koka ho a se na se kra character na hwe Bawumia suban a obeji atum se obre ne ho ase onye obi a okasa basa onye obi a obeti se o kasa tia obi onye obi a obeti se o kasa tia ni party onye obi a obeti se o kan bibi abod the party for on training ne kasa e boko so humility ahombrase
yes
oyobi a ne style no ekenipa bom no bi okasa na hweti nipa obuo ewo onu ankasa na hwe concession ya ye concession che say ye election ya 2024 Electoral Commission po announce one polling station Bawumia ba out bejitu mu say odinkugo a manobu across the world
party for ni be ni ho
said
and I'm so na mu lose seats because obi aba mu boy till the NDC took over constituency coalition centers ni nyina
seats are here NPP wo say
87 yes
Omode
lusu Akwitia
neighbor
yes
Omode concession are affect you Wona abo Akwitia dey see lusu ye
yeah mu lusu sisi a
enu say concession no it is akasa ne ntosum enti eboa ewo papa ne ho because of sa concession and after concession obisa na okroma
yes
in fact ama obuo amba Ghana democracy kwa affect African democracy even in America say even in America kra Brazil and ya jeli obi otiso o se on election results and to monko ya eku me ne ya jeli no former president of Brazil and Brazil ya kroketwa even in America sheda see 2020 Trump also on jintum e man ko mo yeku meboa in South Africa say Electoral Commission numpo and announce one polling station depends look me share results na magiatu ema obuo ba nipa no ono ankasa directly eba ni party hu eba Ghana ema ebi kan Africa nya oyobi a ontu ni hu brag you can say
no
yes oyobi a no akoye bibi no de aba na me na mekoye we no de say sinibo me na mekoma we me na mekoji we me na me anyasa wahu obi a se obi na bibi no ni wa mo bi no de amawa o chan conclusion bi ka se obi na me yesem but mo de aboa party mo de aba party for ni Ghana for enya mo aketo ase me ka se me kan se ho bedwire sika o de tu ama party obi anto no nso what is all kan bedwire mu na simple say me na mekoye we when ya ye suban a she enuonyam ema eno sai suban na opese o leader obi opese odi wanim enye obi o kai a o kon nchen kra na usuro so na o hwe ni swade hu for the rest of the country because pe flag bearer keke o po bi a we ni flag bearer betimi akoton no ama Ghana for ni ato ababa no hwe eni swade hu for the country eni pay ya ebe when na ni swade hu ato Bawumia so me bisa say pass assume si we ni swade hu for national development obi ebe dey so be kai bibi
say bi omunya opportunity in fan to ja say omo ye campaign to delegates the way omu we are then they will share their big vision for the rest of the country.
This is the vision be no mo ye no
omo vision no
yeah
this is a vision for the party and for delegates
and I me say me po bia me to abama no or when ni swade hu for the rest of the country. And any pace PS engineer 2023.
Yes.
See be so many swade hu. Okay bi. Me bobi ntreo. Okay na ebinom kai. Enti ye ka obi a uyi no via ubetimi akoton no ama Ghana for atwa. Obi anto Bawumia.
But I've heard the argument say and ohwe the biggest challenge facing Ghana now unemployment.
Yeah.
And for somebody like Kennedy Agyapong, he's been big on unemployment and the fact that that he can create jobs for the teeming Ghanaian youth, including party delegates. No Ancaster. Yeah, also in his personal life, he's created jobs. Wafanko for Edumem, and he say onya the resources of the state, he can do more of those easily.
And you be no ye businessman. Ujitum.
Yes.
Ubi oho ope business. Ubi oho ope bibu fufro.
Yes.
Ubi oho ope law. Ubi oho ope broadcasting. Esa o hwe nipa no modern bowo ejuma
the
field or to say we be say ejuma ya wo ye wagidin pa hwe nwuma ya to bomra ni kwa nwum na ehu meti onya na menka me yasa Oh, yes, Kosi. What be was a Juma away?
Yes.
Nasa o kope di brebia. Obisi o obi mfa nipa wa Juma muntiro bintimenya. Dabi. O field na wo mu no. O modern bo na se ahwe. So obi abia Juma fine. Ono so ne de no. But I don't just say no ntinu o chen obi. So na o hwe niema say ne niso ade hu obetimi akoton hwe ne niema odi tu dwa and NDC for AAP sa gold in some somebody so cedi no de bi ato oil Bank of Ghana kasa beji atum say sa gold for a reserve
oil program
and no true na ma cedi no ejina say anyama nam ka deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana. So omnum kuteska no the tax reform or the buy saying in fact NDC so be hwe Bawumia ni so ade hu the two dwa wo University of any manifesto no ma ombe yade so enti now hwe ni so ade hu for the a party hwe a juma okoye 2013 petition ni bosome ngotwe 8 months no office chachuchi kata ni NDC lawyers ase edun keti akojina so hu asemesi every man calculator and all 2 times 3 is equal to 4 divided by 4. And yes, I'm ketwa. Bawumia dina sad so 8 months. He captured the imagination of the whole country. That shows dedication to the party.
But he was going to be the eventual beneficiary if the case had gone well for them. Sanko Baba vice president.
But he was there for the party. Anambwa. He was there for the party, not in his personal capacity. Na Oshani ni party suma wasum party ya. Semikase may come wow they boa party for from polling station up to national from 2018. Yenyan sorry ha. Ono me betuni hu but party for any polling station for omo kwani akoto omo ba Bawumia de ma constituency executives, regional executives, national executives for it's on record. Inti u hwen moa ne small they assume party we ni free mind ko o say look moto abamamia appointment president or appointments be me be ya no equal say 10 na obi abenya 10
conference we have 10 appointments.
Obi abenya 10. President were over 7,000 appointments.
Yes.
By the constitution. Obecha no pepe. O say o the bibi kra ba o say constituency budgeting. Enti no constituency bia be hu ni chefa e wo budget no. They say every day is national budget the entire budget appropriation bill this billion. O constituency ever na wofi obi manson kwanta o chefa na e wenfa so say no obed ma budget no ye decentralized to constituency it is our appropriation bill say 4 billion cedis no manson kwanta de na ya he ene de na de o manson kwanta so obabe say hihye ode ba ne say nipa ba kon na be a contract 50 million, 100 million. Aba chichem. Any pani pia timiaye. President Kufone shares adinase. Oba 2001. Who say baby a obefani ye drains. Minim so kai sa adina. Me constituency bubuashe. Yenya ho fa so pa. Baby a obefani ye drains because so chichemu. So is so be manipa ba kon 10 kilometers of drainage. Ochemu into 10 obi aye 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer no obitimi anya hu sika na de akwa akoye. E ma adwuma koso wa minim ne ntia itimi eja isade. O se ode ba sine be ya obi a bitimi anya kakra na ono nso aye. Enti o hwe na ho boa sine wa ahoboa odemufo. O hwe no jina ni nanso pa se ne maka jo ni suban ni so ade hu ene bu e woni hu ene se na okasa odtwi nipa ba ne hu anyo bi okasa ehweti nipa na kenka hu onya kaka bensem onyo bi otu ni hu uhwe we no mia we NPP delegates scan do bi ba ma 100 cities we ma 200 cities jena fakoto electricity but o probia obetimi agye to me e dey ama o party no na say o pe eno ni wani so ade hu na NPP delegates eno ni wani so ade hu Bawumia demofo nti we ni nsem a ode to delegates
or the two delegates no enim enra konya na wote swim ni honorable Rocky Obeng on also a director elections for the Agyapong campaign and he made the point me busan the question say then different about the Agyapong campaign now than the previous primaries no and also see and they have a proper campaign structure on the ground coordinating teams in each constituency and results na ye hu ya ene no executives across the board are bold to come out to declare say they were with Bawumia, then now they are with Agyapong. And no or say among more other camps no mabu muyem eshishe musisia.
Wahu Bawumia campaign or kwa Ashanti so wahu videos nibi.
Yeah, I think I've seen one or
two. Party kukudam for Omo Bana as endorse Bawumia. So
yes, members of parliament maybe.
Okay. Including the deputy speakers with amount for a bufaso to endorse him, to speak for him. Footage in people me send you. Until because say why now what Bawumia or see we free or why?
Oh,
why what bo
Mate Agyapong call Western North. Constituency Secretary Bako Ebekai. Tamro North, Gideon Boa Constituency Secretary in Swababeka. A Contombra Constituency Chairman.
Obi.
Yes.
Says 17 executives.
Yes.
There were constituency.
Yes.
Na Bako Beka say me were wayside. Then you did 2 years home. Na say den ka de bia nka. Ebebo say. Ana ye kwa executives after executive you friend to you because normal obi na onyinya ba ko na omude boss ye na normal na wonhwe nipa e bufaso to endorse eti yampo de na onim nipa o mafri obi camp so afri me bobo mudincha akukudam en po de me nheda ho hia me but yes ye bo nipa o mafri obi camp akọ e Bawumia camp o yamba hwehwe. But then you need to fire nipa bako. Nipa na kwakoto ba na 260,000. And the secretary be wa constituency be no say wo camp na no di 2 year ho a. And no kwa kire say that is a crofo mo di o mhye de nipa.
But and also kire say endorsement may be from the big guys in the party. Base na ye polling station is like omo na dorso. Omo so no the other camps and said that is their stronghold. The more motion. In the moment for MPs,
unim say
regional executives.
Unim say any pay beach na omni Bawumia jina 2023.
In the last primary.
Yeah.
Yes.
You could see what I'm saying.
Oh, say be the second be very near there. Yes.
Enti sa baby two who saw na okuta grassroots. Me am intimi. Jena ujina so. Ujina so no way. Sa se me man kan chere in 2023. O man kan. Egosi say enti so babeka say obi babeka say say me buy
yes
me control say grassroots no obi abeto ma Bawumia me see ye kwa ye budget ne so wo hwe videos na wutimi hu say o budget ne so but me can say no nti obi abeto ama no ba she me nkran say obi o ha kwa na nipa no beje so no enkoye but me ne Bawumia chi obi say enye security pa enipa be pra because hwe na me mo matene ne say nipa ni pi kan say Bawumia camp no ayema into ba
difficult for you to
difficult then natural
and he paid in a cheap dog.
They're natural. So what is asem neda? What is so big as assume see camp you quite difficult. But Bawumia camp and every day in Kofo cancer assembly chair and say nipa ni say I had a ba kuku dam phone doors nipa ni doors nti bed so be go through but I had a kwa there ben no chair. Nti obi fa no to nchen. Obetie nipa ni bi obi say na is the best marketed. No ni aton no why ni aton na chen Bawumia elections here why and now I say at 2023 go see say. And that's also your objective. Why they are torn NPP are torn to the country more than Bawumia. Nipa and Nai Numia said in the why? So and I'm just saying back media Bawumia elections no koji tu munu said na okay and yet no there or no in counting to Chisa Electoral Commission declare.
Yes.
Hey. 90 Electoral Commission declare near to election year 2020
2024.
Even after the declaration by the concession by Bawumia, time Ben Electoral Commission declared it took about 5 days. Can you imagine the tension in the country? And you anticipate 2016 President Mahama yantise mpanyinfo ene nene tena se kasa ansa na ojatum hwe tension eba o man mu ha. Is that the kind of tension you want? Awa anso nim se ankoye Electoral Commission no declare na yete ho 4 or 5 days democracy there unim say ade ankoyi do buoba ho so beka say o me my fair results na msaka no anya de ametimi aye na so ko akudi Electoral Commission. That means you want the same situation in 2016. They see this is something na ko United Nations so no be mo can results on can declare. Look at the tension in 2016. Look at the tension in last year when it even after the concession it took Electoral Commission about 4 or 5 days to declare. Is that the kind of thing you want? No, so Binsu can say no must say humility or no unfair nyejuma akwetia ya shrink for humility in a buy.
Yeah, because someone say the party has gotten to a place they need a bold, honest, courageous leader. Obia utimi sore ekasa. That is the kind of leadership you need when the party is in the kind of situation our party in the says here. And to them, Dr.
Unim no two Rollins Aban Friso.
J. Kofo.
Maybe myself. Obi say I mean I here for grassroots. So nipa na be so say he we here nia so timi kasa. Iskafo na say kasa. Meboa. Enti who kasa na una dwen here for ho. So ask kasa we here nia. En say iskafo no mu here mu so pesa kasa. Enti sa message no kra na mu ka no en shada en toaso. And they be say binu video musika koto down or cantonment so ati be that
yes
no don't musika see factory na empa say ni pa no cancer asebi we show so mo man to bibia wo baby I want to asase so be kaya ba kon in team NPP chairman
yes
no land commission ni pa say wo in team wo ho me to asase wo ye no basa me bo so ati asem into because I'm for thought down cantonments as also kutobi enti no shada any campaign message be shada you bisu baby abefe bia to trotro mu oti choba
Oman for ne boni pa ba kudin se MPP for monfa asome simra ne ye beto ama
na MPP for no montis asem na Bona Bekachero.
A kind of message or
and I'm say a bolding or baby as no delegates on Betty say bolding. I know the Muntra Trotro. Bona Bekachero. Enti mentis asebno. Now call catching pan say one baby I bolding. Say ni pano omone so mo catchero say baby I be kon woodi nearbo. Because omo chin chen the delegates now know Mukasa in the constituencies. No, each constituency be about 1,000 delegates. Democrat a Becatcher, you're not Becatcher. It is as a campaign here and Shada and Yabia. But maybe myself no a bonnet of Nipania effata. I mean, Umunya almost some party no Obia as some party na say ye no so major party in the Frankatunia ofata. But back up in the betting into share nipa numna no demo for pa and my mouth reasons in tia or demo for
say or no demo for
now because you can't challenge. He's the most experienced, he's the most marketed, he's the Nimam can they respect the character, the party. You can't contest those things.
But some of the narratives I've heard in this campaign, and it's giving a flag bearer a second chance. No, it should not be as a matter of course, and as a reward be a edema obi. The person would have to earn it. A man first opportunity, show course, show working. But when you've posted probably the most abysmal result in an election for the NPP, you don't want to say sign and foul review. That has been another narrative. At least I've heard that from the Agyapong camp.
I mean, Jane is a Canadian cancer.
Okay.
But Obi, say apart from a Roma cancer, no free her. Say no what?
Absolutely.
Obi, yenya nim nentia ye lose elections no. Ye no party no ye okwe committee.
Yes.
Okwe committee ye juma 4 months. Omni party for in every constituency. Party for Chro Munin and my buffo by Yenti Omanquancotuaba. Bawumia and Kahun. Baby about me free man pussy and Kahun.
That's according to who?
According to the Okwe reports.
And but the Okwe reports, other candidates, but they are not part of National Council and NEC. In the Omunhui, so when it's just one camp and a dear no a year campaigner, how would they authenticate our claim?
No. Camp will be unfair no year campaign.
No, the fact say Okwe report that they not capture Bawumia any baby a ufi. Okay. It is the Bawumia camp ne pushes our narrative.
Unim not the Okwe report no two dra. Not the two dra.
The General Secretary?
The General Secretary. Wouldn't be the two dra. At the thank you tour, the first tour Takradi. The General Secretary, the video no be send you.
And on my highlights, no?
On my detail, okay, my highlights no bad National Council no my executive summary. So no one tier no. The General Secretary of the party during the thank you tour, ono na kasa, ansana chairman na kasa Bawumia. He gave a detail in what is the Okwe report. But today, for Okwe report no to change. 2024, before the elections, Economist Intelligence Unit. Some year survey.
Yes.
Omo can say elections that be my NPP.
Sure.
Omo long reasons.
Yeah.
That was April 2024, baby. We no free what? So the Afro Barometer. They did an Afro Barometer survey 2024. Omo can say a bad my NPP win. They gave a long list of reasons. The election, there's a German company from Konrad Adenauer.
Yes.
Almost all my research. That's why the NPP lost. Obi, the EIU survey in April 2024, the Afro Barometer, the Okwe reports, the Konrad Adenauer. In fact, Musa Dankwa, who incidentally, you must give it to him, his results are proven to be a better accuracy. All the surveys that are done. Musa Dankwa survey, all these surveys spoke about the same thing. The conclusion was that NPP was going to lose, and the reasons they gave are the same. Meboa. And today, your report to create free. Check the Economist Intelligence Unit. Check the Afro Barometer. Check Conrad Adinoa. Check Musa Dankwa. Info analytics was a day. The same conclusion, the same factors. Inti nimnentia NPP lusu ya. Tuko kase Bawumia free hentini lusu ya. Sakasa no entwasum.
Yeah, but
it's not supported by the facts.
Time I'm wondering about for the first time.
Okay, I'm for with you. Okay, so Bib can say NPP lose elections to 2022.
Yes.
Saturday ye Bawumia.
2022 Dabi na munyi no.
Nti na obekase Bawumia ntia. On running seminar can you can say Echebra.
Yes.
Because what catch say 2022 na MPP lose elections.
After DDP no.
After DDP ni elections. Inti na obekase say Bawumia ntia. So time I can say 2022 na yin Bawumia. Inti on seminar mu ebobra. Inti
Bawumia ba ye no. Leading member after leading member of the NPP ever out the car said mo party no has been rightfully or wrongly tagged as an Akan party.
Yeah.
Na it was said mo exercise the ghost of sa tag no. And the only way to do that is to elect a flag bearer, at least free a minority tribal group. This time no monya obi free minority tribal group osanye kremoni. The expectation is because of the part of the country, the northern part of the country, or the whole votes, ebebremo, and osanye kremoni nti one area I am on nemesis as a party the Zangos in the Zango votes and so ebebremo. It turns out say it didn't happen, and some members of my party say no. Say nothing added by no way to me and yes, why do we bring him again? Okay.
The memo a list of so-called Zongo polling stations.
Yes.
Bawumia Winnie areas, no MPP Winnie or order. I'll give you a list.
Here and now?
Here and now, I'll forward it to you. A list. Plenty Zongo, so-called Zongo polling stations Winnie or we decide now because Zongo for Antoine is not true. Northern region. The northern region results compared to the other regions were better than the other regions. In fact, Bawumia region and Kazai northeast.
Yes.
The northeast in Kwani, the only region MPP votes no cost. It declined everywhere. Maybe at Esotia. I bet if MPP votes nanti all. So na candidates no back with it.
Yes.
The votes declined. The votes declined. Make results nature. 2020 NPP nya ahipo 2020 ewahi yenya 2020 okay, maybe yeah, but it's okay. Phone so. But check the results of but if you be say
FM.
In Shaiso. Nipa ne ba kwa Matis in Shaiso.
Kumasi in Shaiso.
Say nipa no a Christian.
Yes.
Matis or no so cancer Muslim idea. He said Muslim ti anto amano. In Shaiso, Bawumia did better than that person.
In terms of the total vote,
He said it's not a Muslim constituency. The candidate there is a Christian. Or no Pan Bakwa Matis or Kamosa, but Bawumia did better than him in that constituency. There are many constituencies with Christian parliamentary candidates. Bawumia did better. Over 60 constituencies where Bawumia did better than the Christian parliamentary candidates in Christian constituencies. And Tim Fojo, I'm quite a reverend, has seen Hobel. Bawumia did better. Bawumia got more votes than Tim Fojo. Ntu kokase Muslim and Twasum. Musa Dankwa serving and saying how they buy last month. I said, look, religion didn't play in the research or religion didn't play any major role. Musa Dankwa and whether you like him or not, so far his surveys turned out to be fairly accurate. Now, if you anybody be on cancer, hand over.
Yes.
And I hand you over chase any panel then how much you throw. And you know there anybody be lose primaries no. In this election loss near the cancer mass, I also lose primaries. Now primaries won't team in track. Na national agwakucha. Only President Kufuor 1996. He lost on 39%.
96.
NPP got 61 seats in parliament, 1/3. Southern Parliament is 200. 61 is about a third. And Kufuor got 39%. But in the next election, NPP moved from 1/3 to over 50%. And Kufuor moved from 39 to 52%. One election. Nti Okokazo being 41 inti enye the history they won't back it. But yes, you be koye so elementary school.
Yes.
Into we algebra mental.
Yes.
Okazo ko exa. It means there's a constant.
Yes.
There's a formula near friend equation. A presidential results equation I went for. Kufuor had a deficit of 1.3 million votes in 1996. For the 4 years covers our 1.3 no ebe winning power. Akufado had a deficit of 23,000.
Yes.
Took him 8 years. Where's the equation? Where's the y? Where's the x? And to ask for what x, it means there's an equation. There's no equation. Obinya 1.3. He took 4 years to recover and become president. Obinsunya just 23,000. It took him 8 years.
Banana, if you go into an election now for the first time in your history, when Timmy and Winnie even one seat in 5 regions, that's gross. That's not something. It was a party, not a fan of us. Business as usual. And I've read elsewhere say the flag bearer of your party could not win in 90 plus constituencies across the country. That's something. No.
Misleading.
I didn't hear.
Because the way one ticket I'll be funny say when you vote or cry.
Okay.
We've won elections in this country with two regions.
Yes.
Because our population here different. But o kana went any year na koban say when you be wo cry. But onya p just when we need. Inti constituency wo na unya 47%. No binya 53. Well lusu. But you got 47%. Meboa. Ashanti region, NDC, this year omunya about 36%. Omulusu poto, but omunya about 36%. That's very high for NDC. I'm sure that this is their best performance in Ashanti. But Obakazo Ashanti no, they got 36%. Enti Okase when we near is like when you be Debbie Otosu mienu. Now like a make catcher we Kufuor Shani regions so we need they win the 2000 elections. Look at the regions. It's baby and our elections now the population here different.
Yes.
The crowd them say yeah koyo share in the way I be divide the constituencies equally. So our business now constituency be 150,000, maybe 30,000. No, it's not equity, but a different discussion. Yes. But a population here different. You can't hear boom. To go caso bien we ni wa no bien we ni wa ha. And toss. And I'm saying Kocheki Kufuor we need 2,000. How many regions no we need? How many regions? Kocheki 2,000. Just about 3 regions out of 10. Akufado we need 2020. How many regions no they win here? In general and Tossum is the na say me see so drama on in the same. The reasons why NPP lost has nothing to do with Bawumia. Research after research after research, even before the elections. The amount of research done in 2024 and research done in 2025.
Yes.
Linia came to the same conclusion, same factors.
Same factors, same conclusion.
Same conclusion.
In those conclusions, the state of the economy going into the elections, Bawumia was touted as the economic messiah.
Yeah.
By extension, we better say economy in the ma you lose idea. Then maybe Bawumia failed in his handling of the economy. So because is it a fair assessment?
Economy na etochi man. Why na ye nya this obo board?
Enya Bawumia.
Baby. Refi.
Awoka COVID ne.
No. Why nipa bene this obo board? Economy na etochi man. Both NDC and NPP. Why na this obo board?
Not names the Dawson, Bawumia, Ken Oforiata. Nana Akufo.
Let me refresh your mind. We see both parties.
Yes.
NDC, NPP. Just go back. Economy no touch man. Why no this suborno board? Both parties, both NPP, both NDC. Only Hana about 90 MPs demanded the sacking of one person.
Yes,
because
the
of the
finance
economy.
minister.
But only on NDC for the BB Corp Parliament censure motion against who was it against?
The finance minister.
I rest my case. Obi, until you can't go and put blame on somebody at one point. Now, dear chair, you go and blame another person. You see, both parties, both NPP, both and NDC, one of this board during the crisis. The NPP demanded the sacking of one person because I'm saying, Obama lose elections. No, the NDC went to Parliament on a censure motion to remove one person because of the economy.
But they never left the name of Bawumia as the chair of the EMT, as the one who was touted to be the messiah, economic messiah.
Okay,
they made the point, say he was running away from the economy, now doing the globalization. Okay.
Me say, when the economy went bad, who was blamed? Who? Both NPP and NDC. Who was blamed? NDC, I'm first censure. Open up,
yes, censure motion against the finance minister.
And NPP, so who did they blame?
The finance minister.
Until you can't blame finance minister yesterday and today blame Bawumia. It doesn't make sense.
When delegates know a ballot paper on the 31st of January, what would Bawumia represent on that ballot paper?
He represents victory for the NPP. He's the person best placed to deliver victory for the NPP. And he's the most marketed, and you can't dispute that. He's the most marketed of all the contestants. He's the most experienced. You can't in terms of the record as running mate as vice president. An MAP or what you can identify with him a boy Ghana for, and then you bet me your health insurance. Ghana for to digitalization, and you bet me your have to feel, bet me your health insurance, bet me your electricity, bet me your unso, bet me send momo from across platforms. All of them are share will be objectively. You can't vice presidents in this country from Accra to John Mahama.
Yes. Currently to Jane Nana, Professor.
To Jane, no, but they said the other sort. But you can't say, maybe so say Accra would be worker. Maybe Accra, maybe now we school boy, maybe but who free Accra? Mills, when he was vice president, John Mahama when he was vice president, Louis Mahama when they were. Can you remember something? You can say, we need achievement Kesia Medekai when he was vice president. Bawumia is the most impactful vice president in the history of the Fourth Republic. Name Piwa who had beat me the Asheninso. To say interoperability momo and there will be our work room momo bow interoperability on by now could MTN a bit me send the MTN pen a bit me send he championed it
but must identify the cost of doing it now must science the same not the technology
two momo no
yes
interoperability na ye
no they make kind of say mobile, the problem you found with it, Nessa Nane Boa, a Boana, John Muhammad, Mr. President, Modiano, Nane Boa, Dodo. In the Monomobabe Teso, and Amoye. In the vacuum, would say it was there, the cost, and an more issue with.
In think Omanya, Senka, Oman reduce cost Nuna, Yentimianya.
I said, one come to me.
And once I hear Nipano di Moacotin. Because cost now, Enokrano also talks to his incorruptibility. Incorruptible. Say Adia na NDC for some no for 1.2 billion, no no for 5 million. And you can say I'm a national award. Nipa na ye contract ni free ni hon at 1.2 aye Bawumia 5 or 6 4.6 million oko court we are same here amunya bonifo eno crap sa the savings no the difference between 1.2 billion and 5 million say Bawumia award and people identify him with interoperability. People identify him with Ghana card, digital address, digital water payment, digital electricity. People identify him with it. Vice President Ababi Trim, a free car breast with John Mahama. Nana Jane saw that sort of so. If your baby be a who be there, but until the union free. But if free a car to John Mahama, because John Mahama when he was vice president for 3.5 years, Bibi or between their kind, I bet it. Because Devon Adbeka Louis Mahama for 8 years, I bet it.
Ono their campaign against indiscipline.
Because Mills, Debena or Debeka Mills when he was vice president, I bet it. Bawumia is without a doubt the most impactful vice president. Inti wenum ya upobia okwa koton no obetimi ye nyusudu ne efenko gitumi no. Se no wa beye tool e kan say wotwe mu. Akade.
Yeah, akade.
NPP delegates a ye party bamapa. Na ope enipa ya ba omunya fata. But upobia Ojina ni naso baby ojina no betimi agitumi na maye easier Bawumia. Nti uye obi di 100 cedis ba beje. Ebi Bawumia so be 50 cedis je. But dream odachi ho say tumi na mehwehwa ma me party ene me ho. Hwan carry nipa ni nya odokoda osum yeso a carry nipa no. Hwomu suban, hwomu experience. Show my huboa any near me can who boo a warm who never saw me to Bawumia. Nakokotoaba.
Very well, Nana. A friend of mine says so. We could 4-1 in 6 regions in 2000, not 3. Okay, 6 out of the 10 regions at the time. And no, Irini. We free Chairman Omaro ADLC Obi Ken himself said we lost the election in 2022. Okay, I think Nana.
Hey, Omari, me watch you.
Yes.
Hey, me, you share me.
Obi, for the records, the former president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo doesn't have a copy of the Provokwe report. Not even a summary version, just for the record. Charles Ni Teiko Tego and Ono Ediwe Apa. We say Obi, if creating jobs alone is the basis for selecting leaders, then Dangote Ibrahim Mahama, despite Kwesi Chum, are best bets going forward. President Kufuor and President Nana-Addo never had businesses, but created enough jobs and implemented social interventions that have opened doors for future leaders today. Please let's focus on leadership skills more, not entrepreneurial skills, else it would confuse many. Still Team Dr. Bawumia, Mami Efia Akoto, Edie Enono.